If you are a forex trader, you are a crypto trader, and you have not been making money from the market, this is one of the best way which you can apply right now and start making a lot of money. Okay, this particular strategy which I'm about to share with you guys, I've used it to make a whole lot of thousands of dollars trading in crypto. Okay, now, and for those of you which have been losing money in spot trading, future trading, and arbitrage, this is opportunity for you to start. And one good thing about this particular strategy is that you can start small. You can start as low as 20 USDT. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and give you step by step on how to go about this. If you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe so that whenever I drop an update, you get to know about it. Okay, and this particular strategy is a mind blowing. This is 2026 way of making money, whether you are a forex trader or crypto trader. The only thing you need to do is to have Bybit or Get.io or Binance to fund your account to make withdrawal, then and your browser. That is the only thing you need. So let me go ahead and show you guys how you can go about this. So as you can see on this particular boat, I've made withdrawal of $1,000, $350, $400 on daily basis. This is the way I used to cash out. So I'm going to be using TRC 20 USD to fund my account here with 100 USDT so that we can start trading and make money. I'm going to do this live, so stick to the end so you can learn how it actually works. So you can see I already have 57 USDT, so I'm going to be adding extra 100 USDT so we can perform this live so you can see how it actually done. And I'm going to make at the end make a withdrawal here. Okay, so you can see what I'm actually talking about. So now this is my Bybit. I'm going to make a withdrawal. I've copied my TRC20 of the bot from the bot. So remember, you can start this with as low as 150 USD, 20 USD, 100, 1000. So I've pasted my wallet here, so I'm going to be selecting TRC20 right now. So I'm going to be selecting 101 because I'm adding 1 USD for Bybit fees. Okay, so I'm going to put my passcode here so you can see withdrawal application have been submitted successfully. So and over here you can see that I've actually deducted 100 USDT from this particular place. So right now let's wait for this particular place to update. Okay, so we can see what we have deposited here. So I just refresh the account right now, so you can see we now have 157 USDT. Okay, so this particular strategy, even if you are a forex trader and or a crypto trader, you can adopt it and start making use of it now that this particular update are still new. Okay, so if you want to get the boat, you can send me message on Telegram. So we are going to start with 150 USDT. As you can see here, I have input 150. So I'm going to start the boat now. So right now you can see that the boats have actually started. So you can see boat started with it's showing us that the boat started with 150 USDT. Okay, so and for those of you that have been losing money in spot trade, future, and other ways in forex, in stock, you can just start this with as low as 20 USD and you maximize and leverage on it. And this particular bot, one good thing about this particular bot trading is that the bot analyzes the market. it doesn't just enter the market. It's not just like a place whereby you put money, you start trade. No, the boat analyze the proper time and give you information ahead of time. Okay, if the boat is starting in the next 1 hour, it will show you that in the next 1 hour there is gonna be a good opportunity, so you get ready for it. So once it is time, the boat start trading. So as you can see here now, this is our current balance, which is 273 USDT. Just some minutes we just started. Okay, so the boat has only 0.4% risk. Okay, unlike every other future forex that has a 99 60 70 percent risk. Okay, and this you can actually, if you go through my settings here, if you go through the setting, you will find out that this particular boat has 78% win. Okay, win rate. So the boat is highly profitable. So you can see right now we are 319 USDT. Okay, I'm going to allow the boat to run for some extra 3 minutes. Let's see what we'll get here, so we can make a live withdrawal from it. Okay, so over here you can see that the boat is currently balanced at 413 USD. Okay, so we have realized 413 USDT. So we started with 150 and we have made over 100 and something percent, because the market is very, very good. So the next thing which we are going to be doing right now is to make a withdrawal. So I'm going to go back to my Bybit and copy my TRC20, the same wallet I used to make a deposit. That is the same wallet I'm going to impute here. Okay, and that was the reason why it had become very profitable for my VIP members to be able to for those of you that doesn't have up to 55 USDT to start this particular boat trading, to purchase the boat. So for those of you, you can join my VIP group. Once you join my VIP group with 20 USDT, I will give you access to this boat. So you can see I have imputed 400 USDT. Okay, so and once someone starts trading on this particular boat, you also remember, so you, the same wallet you use to make a deposit, the same wallet you use to make withdrawal. So you can see other withdrawals that I've made here. All of them are approved and I've gotten all of them in my wallet. So this particular one right now, you can see is under processing and approved right now. So this is 400. So I'm going to go back to my Bybit and let's see if the money have actually arrived in my Bybit. So you can start small even if you doesn't have much. So you can see that here we have gotten 400 USDT here. So you can see that the boat is very, very profitable. So you can send me a message on WhatsApp or Telegram if you want to get started, if you want to buy this particular boat and start making money just like me.